This house, currently under construction in Sydney, required slate tiles fitted onto its low-pitched roof. The Nulok insulation system was chosen for the task. The traditional triple overlap slate method could not be used here, as the roof pitch is not steep enough. The Nulok roof installation begins by laying zincalume sheets over the rafters. These provide the waterproof base for the zincalume battens, which are fitted horizontally across the roof at intervals defined by water channels that fit between the tiles. Wooden battens cannot be used between slate and zincalume sheets, as it causes a reaction that quickly rots the wood, making the roof unstable in just a few years. With the Nulok system, steel clips hold the tiles tightly onto the roof frame, with just a single overlap. During the recent heavy wind and rain, no tiles were lost from any Nulok roof in New South Wales, demonstrating the strength and durability of the system. Also included in this build are 4 kilowatts of solar power using Nulok solar inserts, which fit into rather than onto the roof. Blending seamlessly in with the slate tiles, they complement the clean lines of the roof. The Spanish black slate used on this roof is exclusive to Nulok. It's highly durable and cut thicker for added strength.